Vukani, vukani, vukani bakithi, vukani, wozani, wozani nizobona bo, wozani, wozani, wozani. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Here is the gossip. Vuka, vuka, vuka.
Ndilapha kwam and I'm thinking about life, just having a quiet day, and I'm just thinking about how life is. One day you're Vuka and you Vuka with a heavy heart. There's a lot going on. Akho right, ana direction, azazi noba uzoqala phi. It feels like akuzulunga. It feels like you want to give up. It's like ingathi impilo yakho is zigzagging, like hey andiyazi ibe ngathi maliphelile ngawe ngapha abantu bayahleka. It could be anything happening in your life, but then you just start praying, and you just start to ask God to lead the way, and you just do what you have to do. Doesn't matter how hard it is, but you just tell yourself, Bajong, I'm gonna start from scratch, and I'm going to do this. Doesn't matter how hard it is, but ngizoqhubeka. And the next thing, you wake up and your heart is at peace, and everything is just okay. And you didn't believe in that. You thought Penny Lengao, and you thought, hey, this is how my life is going to be. But then you didn't give up on yourself. And now you're waking up one morning or every day, and everything is fine. Because you had faith, and you just believed. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's just how I feel, and I wanted to share.
Hi everybody, Sanmonana. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, I'm waking up in the morning. I have a headache. I'm like, okay, let me take my meds and see what's going on in the internet. I'm opening my Facebook. Boom. Is that Vuyo? Is that Vuyo kissing a man? Guys. The internet. Now I'm doing a video even though I have a headache. Hey? So, Uvuyo Nciweni, it looks like she has a new man, because I don't think that she'd be kissing somebody else's man on camera, honey. Because listen, we have too much going on right now. Iindaba zabantu ziningi, so I hope she's not kissing somebody else's man, okay? So Vuyo found herself a man. I was trying to find a name of this man, and I'm like, I can't see it anywhere. But the people are saying that this is a KZN man. I'm like, oh, Nkosi yami Vuyo. I guess you didn't have enough of a Zulu man, honey. Once you go Zulu, you never go back, okay? Ask me, I know. So they say that this guy is a Zulu man from KZN, and he is loaded, honey. He is loaded. But people were commenting about how much he is on the plus size, okay? And I was like, hi guys. Manje nje, just because thina siyidudla manje, we don't deserve love. Hi, leave this man alone. Leave this man alone. It's the cushion, okay? Vuyo likes the cushion. So, guys, the kiss just goes like mwah, mwah. But you can see that the guy is a little bit shocked. Like, oh, we're doing that? We're going public on camera? And you can see that the guy is trying to think, Konje, am I supposed to be kissing somebody like this? Do I have another girlfriend? Is the wife going to find out? I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. So they just have not too deep a kiss, but you can say that you just wouldn't kiss a friend or a random at a club like that. So you must know this person to kiss them like that. So I'm already concluded that this is her man. Now, you guys, I don't know what happened to her man, the other one, the white man from overseas, honey, because it did look like they had gone on a few dates with that man, okay? And the followers were talking about how Vio is about, to take off to overseas, with I don't know if it's a German man or something, okay? And I was like, listen, after what happened with her and Pumelelo, I'll be taking off to Germany too, okay? But it looks like she changed her mind. But this is the funny thing for me, you guys, because Vuyo had posted a video earlier on talking about the Lord and the prayer and the hard work. Okay, she said you just have to work hard and trust in the Lord, and all will work out. Okay, and I was about to take my Bible and go to that mama that makes church uniform so that I can go to church. Because I was like, listen, if Vuyo is praying, because guys, her life has been going well. She's got a new beautiful apartment. She lives with her kids now. It's all nice. It's all nice. Okay. And she was saying, just trust in the Lord. Okay. And I was about to be born again. Okay. And I was like, listen, if Vuyo is saying we should work hard and then just, pray, let me do the same. I was about to go to church, honey. And then now I'm waking up, Vuyo has a man. I'm like, I forgot about these influencers. Because these influencers be talking about the Lord, be talking about hard work, and they just don't want to say, I found myself a man. I found myself a moneyed man, because they do say that this man is moneyed, okay? Listen, don't worry about it, okay? Everything, we're going to find out everything about this man, okay? If he's not moneyed, we'll find out. But for now, he is moneyed, okay? Because after this video, if he has a girlfriend somewhere, we are going to know about it. Jokes aside, you guys, I do hope that this man works out for Vuyo, okay? My mom instincts, my older woman instinct is saying, oh my God, we are about to find out some ish about this man. But uvuyo yena, I'm wishing her happiness. So against all odds, I'm hoping that this man is right for her. And I hope he's loaded. And I hope you guys that, it's going to be what Vuyo wants it to be. You understand? Okay. Now let's talk about the kiss. Okay. I do feel like every time Ingane is a symbol trend, Vuyo will do something that will make her be in the trend list too. So I don't know if this is really a coincidence as such. You understand what I mean? But even if she intentionally did it because of us talking about Ingane as a symbol so much, it's okay, because that means that girl knows how to get the bag. Girl knows how to get the bag, and that is what we want the girls to do, get the bag. So now I'm wishing Vuyo all the best, you guys. I'm wishing Vuyo all the best. All the other stuff, I'm just the mama that likes to joke, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.